Alright, hello and welcome to another MATHCOUNTS problem tutorial. So today we will be looking through problem number 22 in the 2014 chapter sprint round. So let's read through our question. So the length of the diagonal of rectangle ABCD equals half the rectangle's perimeter less 4/5 of the length of the shorter side. What is the ratio of the length of the shortest side of the rectangle to the length of its longest side? Express your answer as a common fraction. So in case you're wondering, yes, pretty sure this is a typo, should be minus. Or maybe it's just weird grammar, I don't know. So anyway, let's work through the question. So let's call the two sides A and B. As with all rectangles, we have two different side lengths. So we see that the length of the diagonal, which is root a squared plus b squared, just general rule for rectangles, equals half the rectangle's perimeter. The perimeter of the rectangle will be 2a plus 2b, so half the perimeter is a plus b, minus 4/5 of the length of the shortest side, which I guess here is b. So minus 4/5 b. So, which equals a plus 1/5 b. Now what we want to do is square both sides. So we get this. If you know how to FOIL, do that. So we have a squared plus 2/5 b plus 1/25 b squared. So we get all this. We can cancel out a squared. We have 24 over 25 b squared equals 2/5 b. Or I guess this should be AB, my bad. So we have 2/5 AB. So we can cancel out a B. We can multiply both sides by 5/2, get rid of that. So we get this. And then we divide by A, multiply both sides by 5/12 to get that B over A is 5 over 12. By the way, I should probably explain how to FOIL. So if you have x plus y squared, then you would have x plus y times x plus y. Then you have the front two, x squared, the outer two, xy, the inner two, xy, and the last two, y squared. So then that simplifies down to x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. You should be able to memorize FOILing pretty quick, it's easy. Okay, let's do a second practice problem. Let's say that now instead of subtracting 4/5 of the shortest side, we subtract 5/6 of the shortest side. I'll give you a few seconds, this may be where you pause the video. Okay, so our new ratio is 12 over 35. If you don't know how I got that, you can rewind the video to see how I did the first problem, or keep watching to see how I do this one. So, as usual, the diagonal is a squared plus b squared, square root. Half the perimeter is still a plus b, but now we subtract 5/6b. So we square both sides, do our FOIL, so we have a squared plus b squared equals a squared plus 1/3 ab plus 1/36b squared. Subtract a squared, bring this over to get 35 over 36b squared equals 1/3 ab. We cancel out an a, b, multiply by 3. And this gives us b over a equals 12 over 35. Okay, now I'm going to give you a third practice problem, but this time I'm not going to show you the answer or work it out in this video. What I want you to do is do this problem by yourself and put your answer in the comment section so I can see it later. So now let's say we subtract 6/7 of the shortest side. Haha, very original. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something about rectangles. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you later. Bye!